Hi everyone! Today we're doing 44 divided by 5. And we have Miss Tina here to help us today.
Yeah, I'm going to help write some things down and make things visual, right? Okay, how do you want to think about this? 44 divided by 5.
Well, first I want to try 44 into 10.
Oh, and how do you want to do 44 divided by 10 then? So you're going to think about a similar question first. Okay.
Well, I know 44 divided by 10, you just have to move the decimal over to here.
Oh, like this. Okay, so let's actually write something down that shows that. So we're going to have 10, because we're thinking about 44 divided by 10 now. So we're going to have 10 equal groups. So 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and how much do I put in each group?
4.4.
Okay, so 4.4. It's a lot of 4.4s, hey? 10 of them exactly.
Yep.
Okay, so now there's 10 of these, Anna, but you actually, like, it's 44 divided by 5, so it's 5 groups that we have to think about.
Yeah. So we just had to put these together because then we'll get 5.
Oh, okay, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 1 group.
2.
Yep.
3. 4.
And 5. So we have 5 equal groups. Okay, so what's 44 divided by 5 then?
8.8.
Because you add these two together,
Yeah.
right? So there's 8.8
This is 8 and then 8 and
group.
then 8.
Perfect. Great.
Thank you. Bye everyone.
Hi everyone. I was working with Yolanda with figuring out 44 divided by 5. Now she had some really great ideas. The first thing that she told me was that she doesn't really like division, so she's going to use multiplication. So she told me that she knows that 8 times 5 equals 40. And she said that she also knows that 9 times 5 equals 45. So she said, look, the answer is going to be somewhere in between, so right in between 8 and 9. And she said it's probably going to be closer to 9, but not more than 9. So she said, I'm going to go ahead and just put 8 there. So she said, look, 44 and 40. She said she's got a remainder of 4. So here's her remainder. At first she said, well, I should just put 0.4 here. But then she was like, no. I actually have to think about remainder. So it's actually 4/5. And then she said, well, I know what this is. She said, look, it's actually 8/10. And now I know what to put after 8. She said specifically, I need to put 0.8. What great ideas she has.